event is about a new pier, but we do want to give you a little update on the existing pier that's out there. So the existing pier took some damage over the winter storms. And I don't know about you guys, but it felt for me like this was a very long winter this year in San Diego. We waited for all the storms to get done. We brought the consultants on in afterwards in the month of April, started to do assessments. The good news is that the pier underneath structure, the superstructure, the piles, the pile caps, the part that holds the pier on up, is sound. We can reopen the pier. Now, I don't want you to think that that means that the pier is not at the end of its useful life. It still is. We still need to do our effort, and we still need to talk about the future for a new pier in that. The pier surface, many of you guys have probably already seen this. Some of the railings have been knocked down, they've been damaged. City forces are out there now. We're repairing all of that. The bait shop has taken some damage, and there's a sump pump that needs to be replaced on there, so the work going forward. So work has started to be able to make those repairs. We anticipate in the month of July, I'm sorry that I don't have a specific date for you, but this month of July, we anticipate being able to reopen the pier going forward in that.
Wonderful.